This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You must act fast. Cut power immediately to prevent short circuits. Once the screen goes dark, remove the SIM and SD card to protect data. Use a lint-free cloth to blot. Press gently. Do not rub because spreading liquid can push moisture deeper. Avoid running the device or plugging it in. Doing so risks permanent damage. If the back is removable, separate it carefully to expose ports. Otherwise, keep ports facing down to let gravity help. You're preventing electrical damage now. Next, focus on moisture removal and inspection. You'll direct gentle airflow. Use a fan or a hairdryer on low heat from about 12 to 18 inches away to evaporate surface water without warping plastics. Make a visual check through ports, and if you're comfortable, carefully open the rear cover to look for corrosion. Take photos for reference. Clean visible residue with isopropyl alcohol 90% on a swab. This displaces water and reduces corrosion. Once done, leave components exposed to dry further. After thorough drying, reassemble and power on only when completely dry. Wait 24 to 48 hours to be safe. You'll test charging, touchscreen response, display, speakers, cameras, and wireless functions methodically because intermittent faults are common after water exposure. If a function fails, try a factory reset only after backing up data. Persistent hardware faults usually require board-level repair or replacement. If corrosion is present or the tablet won't boot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.